Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amaka Nwabako. Hope we're fine and staying safe. My channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. So this hairstyle, how I achieved it was basically using a sewing thread. You can use any type of thread you want to use, and I used a hair extension and the magic finger shine and jam gel to smoothen the roots of her hair. My daughter's hair texture is the coolest type that even whatever you do to the hair, she cries because she has a tender scalp. But as a mom, I need to keep making her hair to make her look neat and presentable. So still on this matter, please don't forget to subscribe if you find this video interesting. Please like my videos, share to friends, click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for the support. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it and love you. With no more further ado, let's dive right in.
Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down, ay. Love you like my family, we can't fold. Love it when you smile, show them dimples. Love it when you be my little nympho. Bust it down, ay. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, why you keep on asking about my friend, Bo? Mess around and put up in the friend zone. With you it's like being in the end zone. Touchdown, ayy. I be in the box like it's bento. Hit my heart beating, what's the tempo? Ain't the game running through your tempo. Bust down, ayy. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, about to do a bit, what you in for? Tell them dudes fall back like it's limbo. Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down, ay, ay. Love you like my family, we can't fold. Love it when you smile, show them dimples. Love it when you be